For me, beauty is owning whatever it is that you are. It's being unapologetic, it's being honest, it's being authentic. My name is Makeba Lindsay, and I create women's lifestyle content online. So I am from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. My parents are Jamaican, so we were like the only Black family in our neighborhood. I was the only Black kid in my class. Growing up, seeing representations of beauty that looked completely nothing like me. Everything was the opposite. White, blonde hair, blue eyes, thin. I felt discriminated against because of my complexion. I felt made fun of because I was bigger. I was struggling with depression, body image issues. I needed to do something that empowered me. And I realized that this was gonna be a journey, and I pledged and committed to stay on that journey. So I started working out because I wanted to take control of my life, and I needed to do something that empowered me. I think the biggest thing was this decision, choosing to love myself, choosing to feel beautiful and see myself that way, and then now doing the things that would help sustain that. I had been thinking about starting a YouTube channel for a while. I was getting questions from, oh girl, what do you eat? How do you make that recipe? How do I do my hair like this? What do you do when you work out? Hey guys, welcome. And I wanted to create a place where people could come to get that information. So my first experience with Revlon was when I was looking for high performance makeup, because I was now gonna be in front of the camera, and I'm like, okay, I need to up this. And I remember going to the store and the actual decals like ending, not being sold out of my color or colors darker than me, but just not even going there. But Revlon actually went past my complexion, and I felt so included, and I was just like, yeah, take me home. When I'm looking for foundation, I need something long wearing, something that can hold up to having an active lifestyle, but also something that still feels kind of lightweight and isn't gonna be like caking on my face. What I love about ColorStay Makeup is that it's life-proof. And what I mean by that is that it keeps up with this life over here. Whether that's a fitness, wellness event, whether that's recording videos, going out at night, dancing on the dance floor, I don't need to keep checking in on it. It's one less thing that I have to worry about. I feel like makeup and fitness are similar because they both accentuate what you already have. Fitness accentuates your muscles, and then makeup helps to accentuate your beauty. I'm a beauty and a beast. I say that because I don't feel like you should be put in a box. I feel like the two can live together simultaneously. Women, we are dynamic, we live boldly, daily, and we shouldn't be limited by stereotypes. You are powerful, you are able, you are beautiful, and you can do anything.